A little drop. Oh yeah, that just ate that up like nothing. Another little one. Pretty big few. Right down those. Welcome back to the JF Rides YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my brand new bike for 2020. Last year, if you'd been watching the channel, I had picked up a Transition Smuggler, which was their mid-travel bike. It was a lot of fun, but I wanted something that was a little more versatile this year that I could do bike packing and that type of thing with. So I think I found something that's going to work out really well, and I'm excited to show you guys. Let's check it out. Drop. Oh yeah, that just ate that up like nothing. Another little one. Pretty big few. Right down those. So there you guys have it. That was just a quick overview of my 2020 Salsa Horsethief. I really appreciate you guys stopping by to check out the video. If you guys enjoy this type of content, please hit that like button and click subscribe. If you guys want more information about Salsa Cycles, you can go to salsacycles.com. I'll put the link down below in the description. Until then, we'll see you guys on the next ride.